10 Best Tourist Spots in Samar. Samar, formerly Western Samar, is a province of the Philippines in Samar Island surrounded by impressive tourist spots. Hidden in the rugged, mountainous, and forested lands of the province are the mostly unknown astounding waterfalls, navigable rivers, and cave systems. Samar is also dubbed as the caving capital of the Philippines, since numerous explored and unexplored underworlds are hidden in its undisturbed lands. The province of Samar is a promising ecotourism destination in eastern Visayas region. It is being bordered by northern Samar, north, eastern Samar, east, Samar Sea, west, and Lake Gulf, south. Catbalogan City is its capital. There are more than 780,000 total residents in the province where they speak in Waray-Waray, Cebuano, Filipino and English languages. Spelunking, canyoning, chasing waterfalls, kayaking, and more adventures await in Samar. Have a glimpse of its diverse places to visit as you check out the most popular tourist spots in the province of Samar. 1. Sohoton Natural Bridge National Park. Sohoton Natural Bridge National Park is outstanding amongst other places of interest in Samar, which ranges in 841 hectares of secured territory. It is considered as the best the travel industry objective in the area, encasing forests, safe streams, enormous cavern frameworks, and transcending limestone bluffs among others. Visits to the recreation center beginnings in a Sohoton River journey with an excellent view of greenery up to the docking zone. On location, guests will be welcomed with Waray-Waray music played by local people. Continue to spelunking in Sohoton and Panimula Caves. At that point, go kayaking up to the enormous Sohoton Natural Bridge. Sohoton Natural Bridge Nature Park is situated in Barangay Guirang, Basi, Samar. 2. Langun-Gobingob Caves. Langun-Gobingob Caverns, otherwise called Calbiga Caverns, are the most famous spelunking objective in Samar. It is the greatest cavern framework in the Philippines and one of the biggest in Southeast Asia. The cavern framework is 7 kilometers in length, incorporating a territory of 900 square kilometers. Inside the cavern are dreamlike tapered rocks, stalagmites, segments, and different sorts of speleothems. The most prominent destinations on the cavern are the football field and the stage. Investigating the cavern is trying since guests will do rappelling, rock climbing, and long journeying, yet an ideal objective for the courageous hearts. Langun-Gobingob Caverns are arranged in Barangay Panimula, Calbiga, Samar. 3. Malajog Beach. Malajog Seashore, likewise called as Luke Seashore, is perhaps the most open and visited places of interest in Samar. It is only a 30 minutes ride away from Catbalogan City, capital. The seashore may not be engaging a few guests for its dark sand. In any case, it is a most loved home base objective among local people and unfamiliar sightseers of the territory. The extended length of the dark sand seashore is bordered with coconut trees wherein a few houses are raised. The quiet and clean waters of the seashore are useful for swimming and kayaking. Since it's situated on the west drifts, glorious nightfall is best seen here. Malajog Seashore is situated in Barangay Malajog, Calbayog City, Samar. 4. Calbayog Zipline and Malajog Ridge Nature Park. Another famous fascination in Samar which has similar access to the Malajog Seashore is the Calbayog Zipline and Malajog Edge Nature Park. It is a lovely nature park with gigantic trees, stones, and a zipline. It takes around 900-meter climbs, dives, and sideways of colossal tree roots following a very much kept-up solid path, prompting the highest point of the edge where the zipline experience is standing by. It is a 750-meter-long zipline where the objective is the following little island called Daraga Island, then on board a boat to return. On the other hand, guests may simply appreciate the bewildering seas at the view deck. Calbayog Zipline and Malajog Edge Nature Park are arranged in Barangay Malajog, Calbayog City, Samar. 5. Basi Church. St. Michael the Archangel Church, or commonly recognized as Basi Church, is one of the historic landmarks in the province of Samar. It is a well-preserved 17th-century-old church that was built on an elevated land with a huge bell tower on the left side. Inside the church are the artistic stained glass murals of biblical characters on the ceiling, and a beautiful altar where the image of St. Michael the Archangel, the town's patron saint, is rested. September 29th of every year marks the celebration in honor of the patron saint of the town. Basi Church is located in Basi, Samar. 6. Bangon Falls. Bangon Falls is one of the most loved objections of nearby and unfamiliar brave vacationers in Samar. The 60-meter-high cascades fall down the wide and profound dive pool, which is entirely appropriate for swimming and bluff plunging. A 30-minute plunge journey following a set-up path from Bangon Falls is another wonderful one called Bangon Falls. It is an excellent fall of confusing waters as it falls on a tough stone precipice into the stream beneath. These destinations can be reached by riding a cruiser, privately known as Habel, at that point a few moments trip to which falls you need to visit first. Bangon Falls is arranged in Barangay San Joaquin, Calbayog City, Samar. 7. Lulugayan Falls and Rapids. Lulugayan Falls and Rapids is one of the stunning tourist spots in Samar, dubbed as the mini Niagara of the Philippines. It is a series of waterfalls that cascades down the 14-kilometer rapids of Calbayog River. The main falls with the highest drop are wide and very majestic, where the plunge pool is good for swimming and cliff jumping. Further atop the main falls offers a beautiful view of the forested lands and the river. The site is about 740 meters away from the jump-off point, which may require a 30-minute trek on an established trail. Local guides are recommended. Lulugayan Falls and Rapids is located in Barangay Literon, Calbayog, Samar. 8. Blanca Aurora Falls. Blanca Aurora Falls is an extremely alluring fall in Samar, which is a supported objective of Samarinos and travelers. It may not be as grand as the others, yet it's exceptionally appealing for swimming and precipice plunging, with a wide characteristic pool beneath the falls and a swimming tidal pond on top of it. Stone bluffs of the falls are of significant stature, which makes precipice bouncing an exceptionally fun, feasible movement. Tables and bungalows are additionally accessible for day guests. Workers may ride a cruiser to the falls, then a short trip to arrive at the site. Blanca Aurora Falls is arranged in Barangay Blanca Aurora, San Jorge, Samar. 9. Pinipisakan Falls. Tucked in the forest-clad mountains of Samar is a magical secret paradise called Pinipisakan Falls. It is a very beautiful four-tier fall surrounded by green trees, wild ferns, and mossy boulders, which has a very different ambience. Most of the visitors recognized it as one of the beautiful waterfalls in the Philippines. Though it is an awesome destination, it is not known to many, even the locals, but only to the adventurous ones. The best things to do here are swimming, cliff jumping, and river canyoning. The adventure starts with a motorcycle ride along the river cruise, then 2 hours of trekking to reach the falls. Pinipisakan Falls is located in Barangay Bayang, San Jorge, Samar. 10. Sulpan Cave. Near Pinipisakan Falls is the Sulpan Cave, which is one of the best caves in Samar. Among all of the caves in the province, this one has the most beautiful entrance because there is a waterfall near the mouth of the cave, which is an extraordinary sight to behold. Sulpan Cave is 5 kilometers long, filled with interesting stalactite and stalagmite formations, underground rivers, and lakes. The cave can be reached by minutes of ascending from Pinipisakan Falls that requires climbing the falls, river crossing, and walking through the mossy rocks. Sulpan Cave is situated in Barangay Bayang, San Jorge, Samar. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep safe and have a good day.